In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a WordPress site to Hostinger step by step. If you're changing hosting providers, upgrading your performance, or simply want a faster and more reliable hosting environment, Hostinger provides a built-in migration tool that makes the entire process incredibly simple. The best part is, you don't need to manually move files, export databases, or install complicated plugins. Hostinger can handle the migration for you automatically. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start a migration request, connect your existing WordPress site, and move it safely to your hosting or hosting account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The first step is to log in to your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using the account that manages your hosting plan. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you manage your domains, hosting plans, websites, and migrations. From the dashboard, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites to see all domains connected to your hosting plan. Inside this area, you'll find an option called Migrate Website. This is the tool Hostinger provides to automatically move a website from another hosting provider into your Hostinger account. Click on Migrate Website to begin the process. Hostinger will now ask for some information about the site you want to transfer. First, enter the current website URL of the WordPress site you want to migrate. This tells Hostinger which website they need to copy from your existing host. After entering the website URL, you'll need to choose the platform your site is using. In this case, select WordPress as the platform since we're moving a WordPress website. Next, Hostinger will ask for your WordPress admin credentials. This usually means entering your WordPress admin username and password. These credentials allow Hostinger's migration system to access your existing site, so it can securely copy the files and database during the migration process. Make sure you enter the correct login details so the migration can complete successfully. After entering your WordPress login information, the next step is choosing the domain inside your Hostinger account where the website will be moved. If you already added your domain to Hostinger, simply select it from the list. This tells Hostinger exactly where the migrated website should be installed. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Start Migration button. Hostinger will now begin the automated migration process. During this stage, the system copies your WordPress files, themes, plugins, media files, and database from your old host to your new Hostinger server. The process usually runs in the background, so you don't need to keep the page open the entire time. Depending on the size of your website, the migration can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Larger websites with many images, plugins, or large databases may take longer. Hostinger will notify you once the migration has been completed successfully. After the migration finishes, you can preview your website on Hostinger to make sure everything looks correct. Check your pages, images, menus, and plugins to confirm that the site transferred properly. If everything looks good, the final step is updating your domain's name servers, so your domain points to Hostinger servers. Once the DNS updates propagate, your website will officially be running on Hostinger. And that's it. That's how to move a WordPress site to Hostinger using their built-in migration tool. As you can see, the process is very beginner-friendly and doesn't require any manual file transfers or technical setup. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, WordPress guides, and online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.